Hello everyone, my name is Adrian C. Cruz. I will present you to my activity. Then, after downloading, they open the folder. Then click set up the VirtualBox. Then next, accept the terms, write an agreement, then yes. Then click yes and installed. Then wait. After the installing, creating a new virtual machine. Click the new, double click the new, then name, then the name is Undo VM, and then select the Linux type, then next. Then the specify virtual address. This my RAM is 20 gig. Then click next. This summary. And then finish. Then the next, installing the Ubuntu. Then this say try and just install the Ubuntu. Then click. This is loading a few minutes. And then I skip a video. And then install Ubuntu. Enter after activation, default selection. Next, install the third-party software. Next. Then create your account. Enter your name and your password. Then use active. Next, this is my location and the time. Then review your choice. Then click and installed. After a few minutes, Ubuntu. Yes. Required to restart OS. That's it. Enter your password and enter the OS. Next, skip, etc. X, and click finish. In the right corner, click settings, it's a terminal, then the first and the PWD, then last is, then MKDIR. MKDIR Babay and LS. I will create it. Then CD inside the Babay folder. Then Then touch hello.txt. Then ls, then nano goodbye.txt, and then write hello sir, hello from Sir Philip, and then click, then Ctrl O, then Ctrl X for exit, then cut goodbye .txt, cp, and goodbye.txt, copy text. Yan. Then ls, this the copy. Txt the move. Then ls already renamed. ls of -1 or then let's check the files. Goodbye.txt, goodbye.txt, hello from Sir Philip, then hello text, and then goodbye. Then my Windows operating system is the OS because it is main system running on my laptop. Meanwhile, Ubuntu Linux is installed inside VirtualBox as guest OS. Advantage of Linux in VM: first, seek exploration, and since mistakes won't damage the main system. Second, flexibility, because we can try different Linux